Okay. So I'm sitting at a mastermind a couple months ago, and somebody brings up this quote, and I'm laughing, and I had to speak up because Jeff Bezos has this quote that essentially says, you only advertise when your product is remarkable, or you advertise if you don't have a compelling story. And I'm laughing. I'm like, you guys don't understand. Bezos is creating and spreading intentional subterfuge and disinformation. Because he wants everybody else to believe that you shouldn't have to advertise, that you should do other things that are creative instead, while he spends more advertising than the next 17 online web properties combined. So because Amazon has access to cheaper capital, do you understand what that means? I don't think people realize that. What does that mean when I say Amazon has access to cheaper capital? That's a fundamentally important point of understanding the internet and the business world online today. Amazon has the cheapest access to capital of any business alive, even more than Apple. It means when Amazon gets money from stockholders, from investors, from however they have money coming in, they get it at a rate that is more favorable than any other person who has access to getting money to grow their business. So Amazon is essentially playing a game of dollars, but their dollars they purchase for less than $1. They purchase that dollar for cheaper than anybody else can purchase that dollar for. So therefore, when they spend more on advertising, even though they're spending the same dollar, they get more for that dollar.